I am really happy with my LEVOIT air purifier. This is the third unit that I have purchased because I have two cats at home. Here is how you get this unit started. And what you do is you flip it over, untwist at the bottom, which will expose the filter. And all you have to do is take the plastic off of the filter. And once you've done that, you just pop the filter right back into the unit, twist it down, and then twist the bottom lid back onto the unit. Here are how the different modes sound on this air purifier. This filter also has a change filter button. It has a sleep timer, and it also has a mode where you can turn the light off. I really like this LEVOIT air filter. It helps my pet allergies tremendously, and I recommend this 100%.